Let's be real. Most people don't have hours every day to build a complicated business from the ground up. If you've only got a couple of hours a week, you need something that works quickly and keeps running even when you're not around. That's what makes the ClickBank Super Funnel so powerful. It's a plug and play system designed to work for you 24/7. The funnel captures emails, builds your list, and automatically follows up with done for you sequences that lead people to offers already proven to convert. It even promotes high ticket products through automated webinars, giving you the chance to earn big commissions without ever presenting anything yourself. And because the support, delivery, and refund processes are handled for you, you don't get to bog down in the details. All you have to do is send people into the funnel and it does the rest, turning your spare time into real results. Click below right now to see how the ClickBank Super Funnel can help you start building income around your schedule.